Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sky Elise J, and today I want to bring to you this cute look. I know it's wintertime right now, but I've been really loving like the yellow and warm tones lately, so I decided to bring y'all this yellow look today and show y'all how I got my eyes popping, my highlight popping, and my lips popping today. So if you guys want to tune in and see how I got this look, then keep watching this video. Okay, so first things first, my brows are already done. So next I'm going to just conceal my lids with LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is going to prevent my eyeshadow from creasing.
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, so now I'm taking my first color, which came from my Morphe 35M palette, and I'm just blending it in the top of my crease. And this is going to be like my transition color. It's kind of like a light orangish color.
Purchase your tracks today.
I'm just doing the same thing for my other eye, and I'm just going to pack on as much color as I can and just blend it out really good so it doesn't look too harsh. But yeah, this is pretty much what I'm going to be doing for a while. I'm just going to be blending out the color in my crease.
Purchase your tracks today.
So now I'm taking another color out of that same Morphe 35M palette, and I'm using like a smaller, more defined brush to add that color slightly below the other color in my crease to just blend it in more, to kind of create like a type of ombre transition type effect. So I'm just rotating back and forth between both brushes, just trying to blend and kind of melt the colors together, because you don't want the colors to have like a line of demarcation in them. You want them to blend closely together. So, and the more I add the darker color on, the more I'm going to go back with the other color that I first used and just blend it in. So now I'm moving on to the yellow on my eyelid, and honestly the colors I use, which are from the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, they really don't show up that well for some reason on me, so I'm not a big fan of it. But I literally don't have any other palettes with color, so yeah, I'm just literally packing on all of this yellow and just building the color up, because for some reason it barely shows up against my skin. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing, and I'm just going to be packing this on until it gets to the vividness and the brightness that I want it to get to. So now I'm just swapping back and forth between that second transition color I used and the yellow to blend it out and to also just make it look more even and less splotchy. So yeah, pretty much I got done playing around with that dry behind yellow. So now I'm on to doing my eyeliner, and it's by Eyes, Lips, and Face. It's a liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to put on a thin layer because I have hooded eyelids, so I don't like to put on too much eyeliner because then it will cover up the eyeshadow that I did.
Purchase your tracks today.
So as you can see, I already applied my eyelashes, and now I just move straight into doing my foundation. So the foundation that I use is the Milani Conceal Imperfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the shade Nutmeg. I just bought this foundation the other day, so I am trying it out for the first time in this video, and it seems pretty cool. You know, I like a little bit of something, so I'm just blending that around town and everywhere else. And I put a little bit under my brow because, like I said in my last video, I don't like my face looking too harsh with the light glow up under my eyebrows, so I just like to kind of like even that out so that I don't look as harsh and my eyebrows don't look like they're popping out from my face. So yeah, next I'm applying my concealer with a Q-tip because it's barely any left in the container, and I'm going to use it to the last drop. Okay, so yeah, I'm just putting that under my eyes, on my nose, and on my forehead. So now I'm taking a darker shade and I'm just going to put it like on my jawbone or cheekbones. I don't know what body part that is, but yeah, you know what, you get the point. But yeah, I'm just going to put it right there for my contour, and I'm going to put it on the sides of my nose, and I'm going to put it a little bit on my forehead, even though I don't really need to because I feel like I have a small forehead, but I just still always do this step. So now I'm just taking a clean brush and just blending out the concealer all over my face.
Purchase your tracks today.
So now I'm just going to take that same concealer I used earlier and put it in the corners of my mouth so I won't be looking ashy or nothing. And I already baked for you guys, as you can see. So now I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out with my Bare Minerals Bare Pro Foundation in the color Clove.
Purchase your tracks today.
So I'm just going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills blush kit and just put on blush. And if you know me, you know I love blush, honey. Like, kick it on, yes. So in this tutorial, I actually am using highlighter, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. So I'm just going to put my highlighter on my cheekbones, and I'm going to put it up under my eyebrows and highlight my brow bone.
Purchase your tracks today.
So now I'm just going to put on my moles that I covered up with my makeup. And now I'm on to lining my lips. I am using MAC Chestnut Lip Liner, which is my favorite, and I'm going to use it a lot, so get used to it. It ain't going nowhere, boo-boo. And now I'm about to get into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick. And I actually like this shade. I didn't know if I was going to like it, but it turned out cute or whatever.
Purchase your tracks today.
Welcome back, and that is the complete look. Tell me what you guys think. Did I slay or no? Hope you all love this look, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Today I'm back with another video, and today I am popping in this yellow, honey. Highlight popping, lips popping.